Hey everyone, welcome to our quick guide on how to turn on your Frigidaire dishwasher for 2025 models. If you're new to this or just need a refresher, you're in the right place. These machines are designed to be user-friendly, but let's walk through it step by step to make sure you get it right the first time. First off, start by making sure your dishwasher is properly set up. Check that it's plugged into a working electrical outlet and that the water supply valve is turned on. Safety is key, so double-check everything before proceeding. Next, locate the control panel. On most 2025 Frigidaire models, you'll find it on the front door or the top edge. Look for the power button. It's often a simple circle or power symbol that stands out. Once you've spotted it, press the power button firmly. You should hear a beep or see the display screen light up. If nothing happens, ensure the door is fully closed and the plug is secure. Sometimes, it's just a simple fix. Now that it's on, you'll see options for different wash cycles. Use the arrow buttons or selector dial to choose what you need, like a normal wash for everyday dishes or a quick cycle for lighter loads. This makes it easy to customize based on your needs. Finally, hit the start button to begin the cycle. Sit back and relax while your dishwasher does the work. Your dishes will be sparkling clean in no time. One last tip. If you run into any issues, like error lights, consult your user manual or check online for troubleshooting. That's it for today. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe for more handy home tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.